this club has too much history, that the fans are unbelievable. It's like a top-end League One atmosphere here on a match day. Like I said, the main thing is winning things. It's winning the playoffs and winning the FA Trophy. Everything else around it is just noise. The most important thing is what we do on this football pitch, and there's no getting away from that. A few months ago, if you said to the fans, maybe around Christmas time, look, you're guaranteed second and you're guaranteed a FA Trophy final at Wembley, I think everyone would have bitten your hand off. I think everyone would have taken that, in all honesty. But that doesn't mean that it's good enough for us right now. That's just the start for us, really. And we've got to maximise these opportunities. And just it's tough at this stage of the season. Tired legs, been a long season, 40 to 50 games for a lot of people. But this is the time where you've got to ramp it up. You've got to dig deep and really go again.
Preparation's going well. Big week for everyone involved in the club. Fans, players, staff. Hopefully be a good day out, and it's a big pressure game, and as players you want to be playing in those with a lot of support. The Wrexham fans have been amazing all season, so it'll be a special atmosphere, I'm sure.
You were part of the Lincoln squad that got to the playoff final, but you missed out because of your injury. How much would it mean to step out on that pitch on Sunday and hopefully lift some silverware with Wrexham? Yeah,
definitely, it's huge. You touched on it there. There's no worse feeling as a player of when you're injured and you can't help your team on the pitch, and then there's no worse feeling than losing in a playoff final. So to combine the two is, hopefully we can put that right and have some better memories at Wembley this weekend.
Bromley, you had that quite frustrating 0-0 draw against them last time out, didn't you?
Yeah, they've had a pretty good season. They were in the playoffs for most of the season. It's a team that we have to show respect to. They've definitely got ways of hurting us, but we know. Fact of the matter is that if we're at our best, we beat anyone in this league, and that's not being arrogant. I think that's a matter of fact, and we've proved that time and time again. But we still have to show them respect. We still have to be 100%, which we weren't at Dagenham, and that shows what can happen. So. We'll go into that final fully prepared, do all of our homework and do everything necessary on and off the pitch and give everything to win the game.
We can't ignore what's happening off the pitch with Ryan and Rob and the takeover. Is that added pressure then?
It's not pressure from them guys. I think it might bring more attention, but that doesn't really bring the pressure. They're very down to earth, humble owners, and I think really it's just the expectation of the football club. Well, that would bring a lot more pressure than the ownership and the people involved with the football club. And to be honest, that's just an added bonus for what they've done for this football club, the town. I feel like it's really galvanised, and they've done so much, on and off the field for Wrexham as a whole. So it's just an exciting time to be here, and hopefully we can really give the fans what they deserve, which is really a win at Wembley and obviously another win at the Olympic Stadium. A few weeks later, but there's obviously a couple of games before that we've got to focus on.
And just finally, how much would it mean to Wrexham Football Club to win this trophy on Sunday?
It'd be massive. The supporters have been there through some tough times, and I think we owe it to the supporters. They've been unbelievable this season. So if we can get over the line and do it for them, it'd be great.
There's no secret about the ambitions of this football club. Sometimes that may bring pressure on the club and expectations from everyone around, but that's part and parcel. That's what we're here to do. We're here to try and get this club promoted. They've been stuck in this league too long, and they're much bigger than the conference. This club has too much history. That the fans are unbelievable. It's like a top-end League One atmosphere here on a match day, and we just need to get out of this league however we do it. So unfortunately we didn't quite manage to do it in the league, but we've got another bite at the cherry, and hopefully we can do that in the playoffs. But yeah, I think first and foremost we've got to look forward to Wembley on Sunday. It's a massive cup final for the club. We've got a huge following, and we've got to put on a show and give them something to cheer about.